private moments in the pool.
I was thinking on the water, what do you call it, the water acrobatics?
Are you doing some for us?
What's that?
You're going to do some for us?
No.
Water acrobatics?
You have to do that in a cruise, sweetheart.
Oh.
No.
What, you find it?
Water acrobatics, you know, synchronized swimming. Synchronized swimming.
You're going to synchronize together?
Every movement is something.
Oh, yeah. In that airplane, the night sky like she's on. I think I know this one. Sorry, there's a fly on me. It's driving me nuts. They're doing their acrobatics. Synchronized swimming? Yeah, this is their synchronized.
You guys want, okay, after the song, you guys want to do a date to ask her to the phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Do it now.
No.